The principle of the GY tool matching instrument is to measure the various parameters of the tool through an optical sensor. Its advantage is that it can quickly and accurately set the knife externally. It doesn't take up the machine's usage time. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for a skilled operator to manually set the knife. The GY knife counter only takes about 20 seconds. When you have a lot of equipment in your workshop, there are different knives in use. GY knife setting instrument can help you save a lot of time and cost, and it avoids the risk of human error. We often refer to cost reduction and efficiency as this concept. Now let's actually demonstrate the use process of the GY tool counter. The first step is to launch the Microvision software. After opening the software, the initialization access dialog box will be displayed. We grab the sensor handle, mobile laser emitters. The initial interface prompt disappears. Display the operation interface. We choose SK50 in the machine tool conversion sleeve area for calibration. This guarantees the highest measurement accuracy. Because there are many types of factory tool handles, BT40, BT50, HSK63, and many other tool handles. The tool alignment device can be achieved by replacing the conversion sleeve, a knife, a liner, clamping different types of knives for tool testing. Select the matching conversion sleeve and install it on the rotating tool holder seat. Then install the handle of the tool on the conversion sleeve. Click on the measurement function in the ribbon. Select the angle you want to measure. Click on the individual tool option in the menu area. Select Quick Measurement. A dialog box will pop up after selection. Fill in the number of blades of the tool to be measured at the number of blades. Move the sensor handle to measure the data of the tool. You can visually view the data of the tool in the measurement data area. And turn on the reflective lighting. You can clearly see the wear of the tool. It is okay to find wear and tear, timely replacement of knives, measure tool data. Then the data of the tool can be transmitted to the machine tool through various means such as stickers, scanning codes, USB flash drives, and wireless network transmission. At present, the most advanced tool setting instrument can realize automatic tool setting with flexible, intelligent production lines. If your factory wants to move towards automation, that pair of knives is your indispensable tool. When you have more than 20 machine tools in your workshop, a tool room can be set up separately. A special person is responsible for a series of operations, such as knife setting and sharpening. Huge savings in factory auxiliary time. This is the most effective means of reducing costs and increasing efficiency. If you are the operator of a factory, would you consider using a knife setter? How much can it reduce the cost of your factory? If you are interested, you can exchange and discuss in the comment area.